Good afternoon, student. This is a computer class for class 8 and it is a day number 25 and lecture number 25 for you. Student, we are going from chapter number 2, that is MS Access, queries, forms and reports, in which yesterday we learned the step to specify the search criteria. I also given you the demonstration of specifying search criteria. Hope all of you understood it very clearly. Okay, now today I'm going to explain you the calculated field and expression. So what is calculated field? A calculated field is a field that gets its information from the calculation performs on the other fields. Okay, you can build calculated fields in the query screen by using the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations. Okay, I'm repeating. A calculated field is a field that gets its information from the calculations performs on the other fields. You can build calculated fields in query screen by using the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations. Okay, suppose that you have a table name. Here is a table. I'm giving you one example, that is marks. Okay, marks. In this table there are field roll number, name, marks of English, Hindi and science. Okay, so roll number 1, Raj, get marks in English 63, Hindi 55 and science 60. Roll number 2, Ravi, you can enter any name, get marks 34, 56 and 75. Okay, then roll number 3, Ranu, marks 66, 72 and 94. Okay, so now you want to calculate the marks of English. You want to see the calculations of all the marks of student, that how many marks get in English. Then you will see it with the help of calculated field. If you want to see the marks of Ravi, total marks of Ravi, then you are able to see it with the help of calculated field, that what will the total of Ravi's marks and what is the total marks of Ranu or Raj with the help of calculated field. Okay, student, normally when you create a database, you should only have to enter the information you need and not worry about data or values that the Access calculates based on information. What information? These information. Okay, already in the database. arithmetic function. What are arithmetic function? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are arithmetic function on one or more on one or more field. These are the fields exactly. Okay, understood? So we can perform the function on these fields. Okay, fields in a database to come up with a completely new field. What is the new field? That is the total of these marks. Okay, this is a new field. Okay, calculation of a new field. Student, remember that to create a calculated field, you need to supply two details. Okay, what are two details? A name of the field and an expression that tell access what calculation it must perform. That means before creating the calculation, you must have to tell the access that what type of calculation you want to perform. Suppose for example you want to addition, uh, subtraction or division. What calculation you want to perform, and what is the syntax of the calculated field? You must write the calculated field name. Calculated field name means on which field you want to perform the calculation. That is, you want to calculate the marks of English or Hindi or science. Understood? Understood, student, what I want to say? Calculated field name, then put the colon and expression. Expression is simply the functions. Okay, now the next topic is expressions that I told you in the syntax of calculated field. Okay, expression is a combination of functions, field, function, field, field names, numbers, text and the operators. Okay, what are the operators? That is the plus, minus and multiplication signs. These are the operators. I am repeating, expression is a combination of functions, field names, numbers, text and operators. Okay, student, an expression is a combination of mathematical or logical operator. Mathematicals mean these symbols, addition, subtraction and multiplication. And what are logical operators? That I given you to draw the table yesterday. You remember that greater than is equal to, is equal to and less than. These are the logical operators. Okay, logical operators function and fields. Student, you can use expressions in Access to calculate values, validate data and set the default values. What are the values? These are the values. You can use expressions to calculate these values. Okay, these values. Expression can be used to perform a variety of tasks, from retrieving the value of control or supplying criteria to a query to create calculated control and fields. Okay, now let's learn the step to build an expression and to calculate value of a field. Okay, what are the steps? Step number 1, open an existing query or start new query. Step 2, click the view button from the result group in the design tab. Okay, step 3, click design view. Step number 4, in the query pane, right click in the field where you would like to create the calculation. Understood? Step 5, click build. Step 6, choose the table that you wish to build the calculation from. And step number 5, what is step number 7? Step number 7, double click the field that you want to include in the calculation. And in step number 8, click the operator that you wish to include in the calculation. Click OK and then click run. Okay, these are the steps to create the calculated value and expression. I think it is visible clearly to you. Okay, so these are the steps, student. In the next lecture I will show you the demonstration of calculated field and expression with the help of practical that how you are able to create the expression and calculated field. Okay, today I am only defining you the meaning of calculated field, expression and steps. Now note down the homework for today. What is the homework for today? Write down in your rough copy, write down in your rough copy what is expression, in MS Access. Okay, write down the answer in your rough copy. What is the homework? Write down in your rough copy what is expression in MS Excel. So this is the homework for today and this is the lecture for today. In next chapter I will define you the next topic with the help of same topic with the help of the demonstration. Till now, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.